Let's take a closer look at calculations in SumoQuote. Go to Configuration, Account Settings, and find Products and Pricing in the menu on the left. Click on the Edit pencil icon beside your product list here. When you signed up for SumoQuote, we preloaded sample product list content into your account. Each product came with calculations. Let's take a look at Owens Corning Duration Shingles. Click on the Calculation button on the right side. When the pop-up opens, you'll see that a formula has already been created. This will automatically calculate the quantity of shingles needed for a roof. These items in gray are our measurement tokens. Their values will change depending on what is entered into your measurements in a project. You'll notice this 33 at the end of the calculation, which is a conversion factor from square footage to bundles of shingles. If we wanted to calculate squares, we would divide by 100. Once your calculation is the way you want it, click Save in the bottom left corner.